Welcome back to another video, boys and girls. I'm so happy in this video today. Literally, I will be showing you like the second best Lego set that I've ever got in my entire life. Now, if you're wondering what it is so the best Lego set I've ever got is this Lego roller coaster. It's got a Lego set in the middle of it that I've also got, but that's only because I didn't have enough room. So this roller coaster. But today in our video, I will be showing you a Lego Ninjago set. It is Jay's Dragon, and it comes with the golden chest plate, and also comes with the golden sword that Jay's holding. And I've built it all already, and this is it, guys. So we've got Zane, and then we've got this guy there, and he is called Muzzle. Then this guy here, and there's a thing on him, and that connects to this thing that clips onto here, so it's like he's holding the dragon so it can't go. Then of course we've got the dragon. It can move its tail. Really cool. Here there's 2 bullets. Don't know if you can see or not, but I'm not going to fire them because they might go everywhere. Then we've got Jay, and here he's holding the golden sword. And then here we've got this little stone area, but guess what goes on top? The golden chest plate goes on top. See there? So this is the golden chest plate. It's one of my favourite bit of the golden dragon armour. And I'm literally so happy. I had £100 and I've only got £68 left because I bought this Lego set. But it was really worth it. It was definitely worth it. So I'm so happy that I've got this. I hope you guys like the Lego set. I'll be showing my friend at school the golden chest plate. And wait a sec, guys, I've just got to pause the video. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you just saw a really cool Lego set right there. And the reason I got a baby gate is only so my brother doesn't get into my room. But boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this Lego set, I recommend you should buy it if you live in Kent, or like even if you live in London. In Tesco they do it for only £30, I think. Yeah, that's where I got it from a Tesco's, and it was only for about £30. So yeah, so guys, I recommend it. And that is the end of my video. Right. Oh, sorry about that. No, I was just talking. You could hardly see my face. Right, bye guys. Bye.